Activating your SoFi debit card is a simple process that can typically be completed online or over the phone. Here's how to activate your SoFi debit card. Online activation. Log into SoFi account. Access your SoFi account through the website or mobile app using your login credentials. Navigate to card activation. Find a section for card management or account settings where you can initiate card activation. Enter card information. Input the required details of your SoFi debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Verify identity. SoFi may ask for additional information to confirm your identity, such as your social security number or date of birth. Complete activation. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once confirmed, your SoFi debit card will be ready to use. Phone activation. Call customer service. Dial the SoFi customer service number provided on the card's packaging or the SoFi website. Follow instructions. Listen to the automated prompts and select the option to activate your debit card. Provide information. Enter your card details and any additional information requested for identity verification. Confirmation. Once verified, your card will be activated and you will receive confirmation.